What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. And today, let's gonna go through US cocoa as well. So what do we have right here on natural gas? And let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. All I wanted to see a bearish engulfer, a valid bearish engulfer for my double top trade, which we did not get. All I'm waiting for a good pullback must be above 20 or 50 EMA. 50 EMA is very important. Now that could be a deep pullback as well. So no conditions, no entry. So just a pullback entry here followed by bullish engulfing candle. If we have that, we are good to go short and keep on taking, long and keep on taking longs till we are at a next major level of resistance as a green candle, and then a very next candle is a bearish engulfing candle. Only wick is allowed to go up. If we have that, in that case we'll have a valid double top pattern. Keep a stop loss above, take profit. We can keep 1-to-1 initially and then manage it accordingly. You can also manage it till the 20 or 50 EMAs. 20 EMA will be the first target if we have a double top, a valid double top. If not, just look for the normal pullback above 50 or 20 EMA with a bullish engulfer, and we're going to go long till we are in the level above right here. This just a red candle can be also a valid double top. But trust me, it's going to be really risky, and I wouldn't go for it as it is also a minor zone, not a major zone. And if you have an aggressive double top, in that case, I avoid taking entries. But nice one. So first, let me give you one simple rules. When we are trading from zones to zones, what we are looking at? We are looking at three things. Number one, major zones from where we can expect some good push up. Then we have a trend continuation zones, which is right here, that a zone that was a previous resistance and a previous support. So when the zone is broken, the previous zone is broken, let's say we have no entry confirmation to take over sell trade. So from these resistance areas, we are looking for a bearish trades. So when there is no bearish trades, what we're going to do? The zone is broken, right? Now, in that case, we're going to use this zone as our trend continuation zone. Means the price wants to continue to push up in a trend instead of pushing lower. So first, we have a major support, right? From where we want to look for buy confirmations. Let's say it is a major zone. Then we have a resistance area, right, which is right here. We have a push down, right? We taken our profits if that zone's played out. If it won't, then it breaks above. So in this scenario, the zones played out. I know this video is a bit longer, but I want to make something clear for you so that you guys won't make any mistakes. So we had a zone played out, we had a push down, we have taken our profit, now the zone is broken. Once the zone is broken, we're going to use this zone as our trend continuation bullish zone. If we have a pullback, we're going to enter one more buy trade and keep on taking long. So now in this case, the zone did not play out, means we have no entry confirmation, something like this. So in this case, we're going to wait for the price to come back down in this zone right here, and then we're going to enter our buy trade. We have a condition, the price now pushed up. Now here we are looking at another push down. We had one push down from here already. Now we were waiting for the price to form a double top, which we did not get. Now at this point, I'm going to go through capital.com and EMX as well in a very short while. Now the role of major and minor zone is, from the major zones we can expect some very good push up. Example is right here. From minor zone we can expect some pullback in an uptrend. This is an example of bullish trades. Now when I say it's a minor zone, you are allowed to take your entries on smaller time frame. So it is a very common rule. You guys must have heard about this rule. Always take your trades one time frame lower. So major zones mean, in my case, I draw my zones on a daily time frame. I take my entries on 4-hour time frame. When there is a minor zone, means I draw these zones on 4-hour time frame and we take our entries on 1 hour, and we can go down to 30 minutes time frame. Least I go is 1 hour, but you can go 30 minutes as well. Now it is a minor zone right here. Here I'll be interested to take my trades on 1 hour time frame rather than going on 4-hour time frame, because this zone is marked on 4-hour time frame. If you look back, I'm now on 4-hour time frame. This zone has acted as a level of resistance, support and resistance. So that is why if I get an entry on 1-hour time frame, that is cool. If not, I'm gonna just look for my pullback entries, which is an entry in an uptrend. Pullback means we are now in an uptrend. All I'm looking at pullbacks, bullish engulfer, pullback, bullish engulfer, pullback, bullish engulfer, and once the price hit the minor zone, I'm going to go down to 1 hour time frame, look for my counter trades. If you have a bearish engulfer, look for a scalp and then ride along with the trend. Now a good example here on Nemix and on capital.com in case you're wondering. Now we had a very good example here. We had a big red candle, right? So in these type of big momentum candles, I don't enter here because we already have a big momentum. So the goal is to enter and grab your profits in an uptrend and then exit and ride along in a trend until when? Until the price hit a next major zone from where we can expect some good push down. So that is why I'm gonna take over trades from minor zone on smaller time frame, grab your profits, ride along with the trend. So here a good example. Now in yesterday's live session, I've already explained my members who are in my live session or who are a Standard Plus member. He asked me that, Omar, we have an entry condition on 1 hour time frame right here. If I go down on 1 hour time frame. So if you see on 1 hour time frame, we already had a bearish engulfer. That would be an entry as well. Stop loss above, take profit till 50 EMA if you want to. So on 1 hour, the entry has been triggered already. The 1-to-1 looks like this if you want to take a bigger targets for natural gas. And if you want to go 1.4 to 1, 1.4 to 1 looks like this. So this is something we are getting on 1 hour time frame. What do we have? We have a nice double top on 1 hour time frame, right? And here we had an entry on 1 hour time frame. We had an entry here. He entered somewhere here with this 382 candle. If you are my student, you know all the rules as well. And we had a bearish engulfer. So in this scenario, as you can see on the screens, that would be 1.421, an easy target hit, right? So this is how you enter your trade from the minor zone on smaller time frame. But on 4 hour time frame, I was more interested to take my pullback entries above 50 EMA, like I shown in my yesterday's video, that we can expect some good push down, big push down above 50 EMA. Then I'm going to go long. So I hope that concept is clear. Now we have a major zone right here. This is a zone from where I'm expecting a very good push down, from where I want to see a good risk to reward ratio. But again, in an uptrend, we are just looking for a nice push down and then ride along with the trend. So what to expect from here? So at this point right here, as you can see, we had a pullback entry bullish on 4 hour time frame. Exactly 180 hour target has been hit right here. Now very simple and very easy. For my next pullback entry bullish, I'm still interested to take my buy trades, but only once the price break and close above this high. So once we have break and close above this high, I want to see another pullback, retest of the previous anchor, followed by a bullish engulfing pattern. And I'm going to go long again till we are in the major area of value, which is right up there. 3.093, that goes up to 3.287. A zone from where we'll be looking for counter trend trade, sell trades with bearish engulfers or double top conditions, which is my bearish condition. For now, simple and easy condition. If we have a push down, big breather again, very important, a big breather again, I'm still gonna go long as the price give me a condition for bullish trades, as I trade on Oanda. That's why I look for my condition here, and on capital.com as well, because these both are my tested platforms. So good breather above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer will be my entry condition, and I'm gonna go long again till this area. Once we are broken above this area, I'm going to go look for another pullback, bullish engulfer, possible retest of this zone, and I'm going to go long again till we are in this area of value. So that's what I'll be looking at for price action. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long. Now, if you're someone who are looking at this platform, now it is still not broken above this first top, right? So again, exactly simple and easy. I'll stay back and wait for my condition. That will be a good push down above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing pattern, and keep on taking longs till here. Once broken above, I'm going to look for another bullish engulfer and keep on taking longs till we are in the zone above, which I've not marked here on Nemix. Once the price break above, I'm going to give you the zone above the next resistance from where we're going to look for the counter trend trade. So for now, as the price is still within this rejection box, we can expect some good push down and a breather. Now, that doesn't mean you start selling here. Yes, we had a good bearish engulfer. Now, again, a minor zone entries can be risky. It's totally up to you if you want to take a risk, as we have a pullback. If let's say if you want to enter here, I'll do something like this. But I won't be taking my entries on minor zones. I'll be taking my entries on major zones for my counter trades. because on minor zones the risks are really higher. Instead, I'll be more interested to take my buy trades above 50 EMA and ride along with the trend. But looking at the pullback right here with a bearish engulfer, let's say if this was a small bearish engulfer, in that case that would be a sort of good entry because we have no momentum. But as now we have a pullback, in this case I'm now expecting some good push down above 50 EMA and keep on taking longs till we are broken above this high, and then another long for my next buy trade. So that's what I'll be looking at here on this platform, and also on capital.com exactly the same. If you want to take a risk, which I'm not going to take here, but I'll be more interested to enter my counter trades from this area, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. I've already sent these zones to my members 2 to 3 weeks ago. So for now, we can expect some good breather, as now we have not broken above this high yet. Once we are broken above this high, I will look for my pullback entry bullish, keep on taking longs till this major zone. Otherwise, my next pullback entry will be good fall to 50 EMA, bullish engulfer, keep on taking longs once I see a good confirmation. Now it is a very aggressive entry. If you want to, for a little scalp sell trade, is totally up to you, but I won't be taking it. But if you're someone who's really comfortable with the risk, it is a minor zone, and looking at 1 hour time frame, a minor double top as well. So that is why we can expect some good breather and then push higher. So these are conditions I'll be looking at for my next trades. Now here on gold, as you can see, we had a take profit hit as mentioned yesterday. I'm expecting a price to hit 20 or 50 EMA. Exactly that has happened. We are getting rejection from 20 EMA. Let me show you what I've said in my last video. On gold, we are also in a minor area, not a major area, but looking at 1 hour time frame, as you can see, we have a double bottom pattern, and looking at this candle ATR is 7 ATR has been hit. As you can see, the price already pushed up $11 more than that, but I'm still expecting a price to push up and hit at least 50 EMA. Once we have that, I'm going to look for a bearish engulfer, but on 4 hour time frame, right? If we have a push up above below 50 EMA or 20 EMA and price form a bearish engulfer, I'm going to go short, and we might get another bottom and price might form a double bottom. Nice one. So we are getting rejection from 20 EMA. Now let me show you the ratio of gold and silver as well. Ratio of gold and silver is pushing up nicely and heading towards a level of resistance, right? So until then, price will likely push up here on ratio, and in this process the price will push down on gold and silver as well. So let's say the ratio of gold and silver hit resistance here and then forms a condition, it will start to fall, and only then I will start to look for the extra confluence that gold and silver will start to push up from here, both of them. Sometimes gold is slow, sometimes silver is slow. So that is what I'll be looking at. Now I'm only looking for sell trades. As I mentioned yesterday that we are below 50 EMA, we had price just made a new low. If we have a bearish engulfer, I'm going to go short. So again, simple. If price give me a pullback, that doesn't mean the price is reversing, but I'll be looking for my sell trade below 50 EMA and keep on taking shorts till until we are broken above 50 EMA dramatically. So we are still looking for sell trades as long as we are below 50 and 20 EMA. Expect some good breather and a good pullback below 50 EMA. Same here on gold, right? Expect some more push up to 50 EMA. If we have a bearish engulfer, in that case I'm going to go short. Now if this candle turns to be a bearish engulfer, that will be my sell signal as well. I'm going to go short here using 1 ATR, which is $13 for my target. So wait and see how it goes. If close as a bearish engulfer, we have an entry condition. If not, I'll still look for a price to push up even more higher. Rejection for 50 EMA, keep on taking shots, and I will use 1 ATR for my targets only because we are still in a decision zone. Once we have broken below this low, only then we have a confirmation of a downtrend. We have crude oil. So at this point, we are still in a rejection box. Let's see how it goes. If we have a price forms a bearish engulfer, that will be a minor double top, and we can expect some scalp. Not a very big push down, but 1 to 2 ATR for the targets. 1.5 ATR because we are in a major zone, a trend continuation bearish zone. So that's why I'm expecting some good push down before the price will push up. Now I'm also looking at head and shoulder bullish pattern right here on daily time frame. For that, the price needs to be pushing higher, equal to this high, reject from here, and then that will be a bullish pattern in the long term. 4 hour time frame also exactly the same. For the pattern to complete, we need to see a break above and then a push down and then a push higher. But that doesn't mean the price won't push down from here. So we can still get an entry condition if we have for a little scalp, then push up, and then condition like this. So that's what I'll be looking at. Not taking any buy trades until we are completely broken above this zone, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Once we are completely broken above, I'll start to look for the pullback and pullback entry bullish and keep on taking longs till we get conditions. That's why I'll be looking at. Wait and see how it goes. Once we have conditions, only then we are going to enter our trades. Last one, we have US cocoa. Now, I've already mentioned that in my yesterday's live session to my members that we can now expect a push up from a bullish candle right here. Previous candle was a smaller red candle, not an engulfing but a bullish candle. So what we can expect, further push up, break above, pull back, and again keep on taking longs till we are in the zone above right here, from where we can look for a nice push down. Otherwise, I'm just looking for bullish trades here on US cocoa, not taking sell trades, as now we have broken above 50 and 20 EMA and this anchor level as well. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.